A Wichita County jury of 11 women and 1 man began deliberating about an hour ago to determine the punishment for a U.S. Army veteran they found guilty of 16 first-degree felony counts earlier this week. Anthony Kienlen faces up to life in prison for attempted capital murder of a peace officer, and each of the 15 counts he pleaded guilty to of aggravated assault of a peace officer. Closing arguments got underway this morning at about 9:30, with prosecutor Joe Vrechek addressing the jury first, arguing that this strictly about the choices Kienlen made on October 13th, 2021, and asking them not to forget the reality of what could have happened that day on Turkey Ranch Road. Kienlen's defense attorney, Dustin Nims, was next to address the jury, arguing this case is about service and that Kienlen's PTSD and alcohol abuse are linked to his time in Afghanistan. He argued that Kienlen owned what he did that day, and the jury can send a message that it supports both law enforcement and veterans by sentencing Kienlen to minimal jail time or even probation. Wichita County DA John Gillespie concluded closing arguments by telling the jury that it's by inches at the aim and the grace of God that this isn't a capital murder case, asking jurors to send a message that mass shooting events won't be tolerated in Wichita County. The jury began deliberating just before 11 and will continue until they reach unanimous verdicts on his punishment on all 16 counts, which by law will run concurrent to one another. So stick with us on air and online for updates from the 78th District Court.